his cat. Dan has a pet cat. The cat's name is Pat. Pat has a cup. It nap on the mat.
Okay.
Oh ho.
Ano?
Oh ho.
How?
How? Dan loves his cat. Mama, dili na.
Diri, question na.
Yay.
Ano, basala na siya na.
Question mark.
Ano?
Question.
May S.
Questions.
Okay, questions.
Pat.
Number 1. Yan, higa.
Who
Okay.
has a pet cat?
Okay, what's the answer?
Pat.
No, again. Who has a pet cat?
Da.
Okay, no?
Dan.
Oh, dili kay surot din. Tuhaya. Tuhaya gayud pag surot. Kapangit naman naman yung surat. Di naman yung tinutuhay. Again.
H.
Diga H.
Down on the
Asya na.
letter.
Tuhayaga. Okay, number 2. Beside question.
What is his pet's name?
Oh, I'll answer. What is his pet's name?
Pat.
Pat. Okay. Next.
Tree.
Number 3.
Where this
Again, di siya.
does
Okay.
pat nap
Oh, where does?
mat?
Okay, answer.
M A
Tuhay ka yung pagsusurat. Di ka kunti na mait.
mat.
Okay, very good.
Mat.